Curious if your Tesla is running on the faster, more efficient AMD Ryzen processor? Many newer Teslas, especially those with full self-driving capabilities, have made the switch from NVIDIA to AMD Ryzen. Knowing whether you have a Ryzen CPU is important for software update compatibility, performance expectations, and even resale value. This video will show you exactly how to determine if your Tesla is one of them. We'll cover several methods, from checking your Tesla's service menu to decoding the VIN. The most direct way to check for a Ryzen CPU is through your Tesla's service menu. To access this menu, hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel. This usually works when the car is in service mode through the Tesla app or using the center console options. Once in the service menu, navigate to Vehicle Information or Hardware Information. Look for a line that specifically mentions AMD Ryzen. If you see it, congratulations, you have a Ryzen-powered Tesla. Another way to get an indication of whether your Tesla has Ryzen is by examining the VIN, or Vehicle Identification Number. Tesla vehicles produced from around 2024 onwards that are equipped with FSD Supervised version 12 or higher are very likely to have Ryzen. While not a definitive confirmation, a VIN that indicates a production date of 2024 or later increases the probability. Keep in mind that VIN decoding provides clues, not a certainty. The service menu is always more accurate. Third-party Tesla apps, such as TeslaMate, offer a convenient way to access detailed hardware information about your vehicle. These apps connect to your Tesla account and can retrieve diagnostic data that includes the CPU type. Popular third-party apps like TeslaMate, Tessie, and TesLab are available through standard app stores. They provide comprehensive diagnostic access without requiring physical access to your vehicle. To use these apps, simply connect them to your Tesla account through secure authentication. You'll need to grant permissions for accessing vehicle information, commands, and diagnostic data. After authentication, the app can access and display detailed hardware diagnostics, including whether your Tesla uses an AMD Ryzen processor or another CPU type. This method is quick and doesn't require visiting a service center. For the most definitive answer, especially if previous methods are inconclusive, contact your local Tesla service center. They can perform a full system scan and confirm the presence of a Ryzen CPU. This is particularly useful if you're unsure about retrofit upgrades or have an older model that might have received a Ryzen upgrade. Call or schedule an appointment through the Tesla app. Tesla previously relied on NVIDIA GPUs for its full self-driving computers. While NVIDIA excels in parallel processing, Ryzen offers a more balanced approach, integrating CPU and GPU tasks for energy-efficient AI execution. Ryzen allows Tesla's software to run on a single chip, simplifying the system. This integrated design provides better energy efficiency for AI workloads. Early benchmarks show Ryzen units support up to 2.5x faster AI training simulations compared to NVIDIA predecessors, with benchmarks showing 144 TOPS for neural processing. If you're experiencing issues accessing the service menu on your Tesla touchscreen, make sure the vehicle is in park. Hold both scroll wheels down firmly and simultaneously to enter the diagnostic interface. For third-party apps that check your Tesla's hardware, ensure the application is updated to the most recent version to display accurate information about your CPU configuration. Remember that the VIN number serves only as an indicator for potential Ryzen processors. It's not a definitive guarantee, so always confirm through the service menu or by contacting Tesla service directly. Knowing whether your Tesla uses a Ryzen CPU will help you stay informed about software updates and get the most out of your vehicle's autonomous driving features.